First up, the biggest piece of equipment, my 400 f2.8. It slots in neatly and leaves a little bit of space right on top of my next piece. I always pack my binoculars, in this case, my trusted Swarovskis. Next up, 70 to 200, an absolute must for any photographer, regardless of your genre. To allow myself a little bit of extra reach, I pack both a 1.4 and 2 times teleconverter. Next up, 16 to 35 for any wides, and even a bit of stars around camp at night. Then a Sony A1 with no battery grip, and 2 more Sony A1s, both equipped with battery grips. That's 3 camera bodies in total, and they fit well and snug. I use the strap and tie downs to secure the gear, making sure that nothing moves around in the bag, regardless of how much I'm moving around. Next up, GoPro Euro 11 Black. And that's it for my camera bag. Everything I need: 3 camera bodies, 3 lenses, binoculars, teleconverters, and a GoPro. Next up, my drone. This bag takes 2 full batteries, a third one in the drone itself, along with a bunch of accessories. My accessory bag holds batteries. In this case, what I'm preparing here is the microphone, memory cards, cleaning gear, and a few other bits and pieces, all neatly packed together. Next up, my travel wallet. This is made by Holdfast Gear, and I've used it for the past 6 years. The sun is bright in the Serengeti, and in this case I pack my Persol 714s, trusted, fantastic, and they look great. Always space for them. I take 2 watches on every trip, my Panerai trusted watches, 1 in the bag, 1 on my wrist. When I pack the bag, the main compartment holds obviously the main piece of luggage that fits in snug, perfectly tight, and leaves a little bit of space right on top for my accessory pouch. They both slot in neatly without any fuss. Once zipped up, place my drone bag in the front pocket. My remote controller goes in just on top in another little pouch compartment.